Good morning everyone, myself Himanshi Yadav from J3 Academy. Today I am presented to teach you class 10 subject math and same topic arithmetic progression. Now look question number 1. Find the sum of first 50 terms means n kadu 51 n equal to 51 of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So second term means A plus second minus 1 into D is 14. Means A plus 2 minus 1, 1 into D means D. After it, this is equation first. Third term means A plus 3 minus 1 into D is 18. So now A plus 3 minus 1 into D kadu 18. This is the equation second. Students, firstly we solve equation first and second. From these equation we find A and D. After it we put A, D and N. After it you have to find sum. After it formula we use Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. With the help of this formula we find answer. So now look, A plus D is equal to 14. Students, here A same, but sign is also same. Here add, but here you have to do remove. So on subtracting, sign will change in denomination. नीचे की sign change हो जाएगी. A cancel. 2D minus D, 18 minus 14, 4. After putting the value of D in any equation, means equation 1 or equation 2 depends on. Suppose we put in equation 1. So A plus 4 equal to 14. A equal to 14 minus 4 is 10. A and D. After it, we have to find the sum of first 51 terms. So use formula Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So as n place 51. So 51 upon 2, A is 10, 51 minus 1, or D is 4. 51 upon 2, 2 tens are 20, 51 minus 1, 50, multiply 4, 200. Do add 220. 110 times को 0. 11 बन गया 11 1 11 5 गया 55 55 1 56. This is the my final answer. Now students, look question number 2. If the sum of first 7 terms, so use formula Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of first 7 terms means n place you have to write 7 is 49, means this value you have to given 49. 7 upon 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D. Now look students, here 2 is in divide, so this I convert into multiply. Same as 7 is in multiplication, so that's I convert into divide. Means you can write as 49 multiplied 2 upon 7 equal to 2a, 7 minus 1, 6d. 7 times 7 2s are 14, means 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. This is the equation 1. Now after it, and that of 17 terms is 289. Same as 289 is equal to 17 terms, means 17 upon 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into D. Same as multiply 2 upon 17 is equal to 2a plus 16d. 17 times 17 2s are 34. So you can write as 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 2s are 34. This is the equation second. Your equation first is 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. Now on subtracting, same process. 16 minus 6, 10d is equal to 20. D equal to 2. Putting the value of D in equation 1. 2a plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14. 2a is equal to 6 to the 12. Here 12 is positive, this I come into negative. 2a is equal to a equal to 1. You have after it you have to find the sum of n terms. Means Sn equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d you have to find. N is n upon 2. A is 1. N minus 1. Your d is students 12. 2 sorry. N upon 2. 2 multiply by 2 in both of number. 2n minus 2. 2 to cancel. N upon 2 multiply 2n. 2 to cancel. N into n. N square. This is my final answer. Now student, look last question. So that a1 a2 dot dot an form an AP, where an is defined as, you have to given this number. So first of all you have to find that this sequence is in an AP. So first of all students, we put values of just like 1 2 as on. After it, one more information, one more answer you have to find the sum of first 15 terms. So first of all we write very easy question I think. An is equal to a plus 3 plus 4n. So first of all we put n equal to 1. 3 plus 4 multiply 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. Means this a1 means this, that's your first number. After it, n equal to 2. You want to write, then write. Putting n equal to 1 or putting n equal to 2. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. 11. That's your second number. After it, putting n equal to 3. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Now 7, 11, 15 dot. Now firstly you have to look this sequence is in an AP or not. So subtract 11 minus 7 is 11 minus, we write as D1. 4 same as D2. 15 minus 11 is 4. From here common difference is same. So this sequence is in an AP. So this sequence is in an AP. After it you have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Means n is equal to 15, a is 7, d is equal to 4. From here you have to find s 15. Means 15 upon 2, 2a plus 15 minus 1 into d. Students, you can put value of a and d. After it you can solve. Same here, with the help of this question you have to solve this mode. That's your homework. Okay, thanks.